abduction. The Sanford Police Department is searching for a Riley Harper Box. Riley is a 3-year-old white female, approximately 3 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 30 pounds. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. The abductor, a Brent James Box, is described as a 50-year-old white male, approximately 6 feet tall, weighing 210 pounds. He has brown hair and blue eyes. Brent has a tattoo on his stomach, a tattoo on his right upper arm, and a large scar on his left wrist. They may be in a maroon 2013 Toyota Avalon with North Carolina license plate TJC1491. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Sanford Police Department immediately at 919-777